it's TxStampin Sharon. I am so happy to bring this idea to you today. I have been addicted to this layout. You know, guys, sometimes it's not all about the stamp set, the sentiments. It's about the layout. I'm gonna share with you, what do I have, 4 cards? Yes, I have 4 cards today. And I cannot wait for you to be inspired by what I have to share. I would love to help you out. If you currently already don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, contact me and I'd be happy to help you with your Stampin' Up! Supply needs. You can find out how to contact me, my store, how to sign up for my newsletter, all that good stuff, my blog, down in the description box below this video. Just click that read more button. By the way, if you're new to my channel and you have not already subscribed, I'd love for you to be a subscriber. Just hit that subscribe button below and then hit the notification bell. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. Let me get started inspiring you. So on today's video, I am going to be using this stamp set called Boho Indigo. And I just want you to understand, it's not about the stamp set, although this has become one of my favorite sets. It is part of a medley where you get the paper, the ribbon, the stamp set, the dies, all of that good stuff. So I am using the dies today to cut out one of my vases. However, it's all about this layout. So I've already cut out my vase, okay? I just stamped it with Misty Moonlight. We're gonna set that aside. And I have my cardstock ready. I am using Misty Moonlight and my measurements are 5.5 by 8.5, scored and folded at 4 1/4. I have a layer of Very Vanilla that is 4 inches by 5 1/4. And this layer of Very Vanilla actually came in the product medley. It's already embossed. Super cute embossed layer. It also measures 4 inches by 5 1/4. I have a layer of Misty Moonlight again that measures 2 3/4 by 4 1/4. My designer series paper is 2.5 by 4 inches. I have a layer of Very Vanilla that is 1 1/4 by 2.5. This is the size that I used on all of my samples. Actually, all of my measurements are the same for all my cards that I'm going to share with you. I have another layer of designer series paper, and that's from the Boho Indigo Product Medley. And this measures 1 1/4 by 3 3/4. I have another layer of Misty Moonlight, and it is 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. All right, we're going to assemble our card. And since this layer is embossed, I'm going to use some liquid glue. Now, what's so fun about this card is that I designed it, or I designed these cards rather, for a mystery stamping that I had. Oh, I believe this one was done, was it July 20th? Every Monday at noon Central, I host a free online mystery class. And you are welcome to pop over. You can live anywhere in the United States or in the world for that matter, and join us. The day before, so on Sunday, I give you measurements to gather your supplies. And then on Monday at noon Central, so check your time zone, because if you're joining me from Australia or something, I don't have a clue what time that is. Okay, so I've adhered my designer series paper to my Misty Moonlight, and now I'm going to adhere. Actually, we're gonna do this. We're gonna add our designer series paper with liquid glue, because I'm gonna add it to the left side of my card. And just wait till you see these other ideas, because they all look so different. I am having trouble with my dogs this morning. They are not cooperating while I'm trying to make my video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add this layer too, because I did emboss this layer. I don't think I embossed the other layers on my card. I will have a downloadable PDF over on my blog if you would like to go get that. The link is in the description box below. However, I've given you the measurements on the video, but if that helps you, I always like to print things off and all of that. All right, so let's do some stamping on our Very Vanilla and using our Misty Moonlight again. By the way, these are not listed in the current catalog, but they are still available. They are the paper piercing mat from Stampin' Up. They still are available on my store, and you always want to use those when you are stamping with photopolymer stamps. All right, I need to get this straight, so let's make sure I'm still in the camera. Sorry, you're feeling blue. So next we're going to add this to the bottom of our designer series paper. Now you could put it anywhere you want, but all of my samples all have it here. For this strip of Misty Moonlight, I'm going to pop it up with some dimensionals. You know, I love dimensionals, and I don't know if you do, but I love putting them on things. Just kind of gives it a little bit more personality is what I say. All right, so we're going to add this right above our sentiment layer, kind of centered on the card. Next, we're going to add some dimensionals to our vase. And it doesn't matter what image you use, you're going to see. I mean, don't leave me, guys, because you're going to go nuts when you see these other samples, especially my masculine card. All right, so we're just going to add this right. Let's see, where do we want it? Ah, for a change. Yeah, we're just gonna stick it right here. I don't want to mess up from all my other designs. All right, y'all ready to see my other ones? Oh wait, we've got to add our inside layer because our Misty Moonlight is a little too dark to write on. So we're just gonna add this in here. All right, you ready to see my other cards now? How about this one with the peony? Look, totally different. It looks like I didn't even follow the same design, but I did. I embossed with the Flourish embossing folder. I used some silver foil here. I sponged my little flower, stamped the Love and Thanks with, I think that was gray granite, and then use that beautiful new Peony Designer Series papers. How about a masculine version? Yep, there you go. We have a gold embossing and a gold foil strip, and then I use that new textiles embossing folder. And you know what? I take that back. I did add this layer with dimensionals. That's why I couldn't remember adding it, but you don't have to. You can have it just flat, or you can add it with dimensionals. This one, I just stuck it down with the adhesive. Okay, how about a bright, fun daisy card? Okay, this is that Ornate Garden Designer Series paper, the Ornate Florals embossing folder. And so now you have 4 different cards. I don't know if you can see them all. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. We have 4 different cards using the same layout. Fall in love with a layout like I did, and then go crazy with it with everything you already have. Or if I've inspired you with some of my designs today, especially that masculine one, then you can purchase that. But I'm just saying, it's all about the design. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate you. Happy stamping, y'all.